My name is Matusiak. I'm a graduate of Mechanical 1991, and I currently work as a management consultant. When I graduated into one of our sort of nastier recessions that we had, but I ended up getting a full-time job in heating, ventilating, and air conditioning consulting. So essentially what people call building services, and as I often tell people, it's all the stuff up in the ceiling that nobody sees. For me, what it means to be a U of T engineering or school alum is to be part of a community of engineers from what I would say is one of the greatest faculties and universities that is constantly working to make lives better for everyone around the world. Pretty much within a short amount of time of graduating, I became an alumni volunteer. And for me, that was just a natural progression or segue from my undergraduate work. Everybody gives back in a way that works for them. And one of the ways that I've chosen that works for me is to give of my time, which is one of the most valuable, maybe the most valuable thing that I have. I guess when I look back is that, I've been doing this probably for 25 years. Why you should stay connected is that you should pay it forward and make sure that the students after you have that same experience and that benefit of your expertise, your time, and your money.